Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this 3D asset for your projects, your films, or your skits. And like always, you can download all these assets by clicking the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you download the asset folder, you're going to have two different video files for this one. And all you got to do is just drag and drop. Because I exported them without any background, you can literally just drag and drop them in any of your projects that you want. And it'll just show the planet spinning around. So this one has two different video files. It's going to have the planet just from the front. It's going to be spinning around. And then you also have the planet from the side. We'll have it spinning around over here too. And that's pretty much it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Subscribe for more. And thank y'all for tuning in.